When using a pipe wrench, safety should always be a priority to avoid injury or damage to pipes. First, ensure you are wearing the proper safety gear, including gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and safety goggles to shield your eyes from debris. Always inspect the pipe wrench before use to ensure there are no signs of damage, such as cracked handles or worn-out jaws. When gripping a pipe, position the wrench so that the teeth face the direction of rotation, ensuring a secure hold. Avoid using excessive force, as this can lead to slipping, causing injury or damaging the pipe. Additionally, never use a pipe wrench on pipes that are under pressure, as this can result in sudden, dangerous movements. Be mindful of your stance. Stand firmly with a stable base to avoid losing balance while applying force to the wrench. When working in tight spaces, take extra care not to apply pressure at awkward angles that could lead to strain or injury. Finally, always store the pipe wrench in a safe location when not in use, keeping it free from rust and damage by cleaning and lubricating it regularly. Proper maintenance ensures safe handling and longevity.